Hello and good morning. Thank you so much for joining me here in class. Go ahead and get in a comfortable seated position. Close down the eyes. Take a couple of deep breaths here. Feel a grounding sensation in your seat. Root down through the sitting bones. And take a moment to set your intention for your practice. What brought you to your mat today? Put all your awareness on your breath, and we'll take 2 cleansing breaths to start. So exhale out any air you have. Take a big inhale, fill up the lungs. Exhale, open mouth, release. One more like that. Inhale, really fill up those lungs. Exhale, open mouth, release, relax, let it go. Bring the hands to heart center, gently bow in towards yourself, honoring this space and stillness you created. Gently blink the eyes open, and on an inhale, press the palms up into the sky. Exhale, lower the palms back down to the sternum. Inhale, press down through the sitting bones, lift up through the sides of the waist. Exhale, lower down with control. One more. Inhale, reach high and lengthen. Exhale, press down and strengthen. Now start to rub the hands together, creating this heat, this friction, really waking up the body, waking up the palms, and then slowly start to move the palms away. Feel the energy between the hands. Now flip the palms and press them out all the way out long. So your fingertips are spread wide like this. I like to call these Iron Man hands because you're kind of like Iron Man here. And then on an exhale, flip the fingertips down to the mat. Let's flow through that. Inhale, palms reach up, fingertips up. Exhale, palms reach down, fingertips down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now create fists with the hands, and now inhale up. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale, exhale, inhale, spread the fingertips wide again, and then on an inhale, both arms reach up, interlace the fingers together, open through the chest, spread through the collarbones, press down through those hips, and breathe. On an exhale, spiral the hands down onto the floor. Fingertips in line with the hips. On an inhale, press down through the fingertips and then drop the ear to the right shoulder. On an inhale, left arm comes parallel to the mat, and then start to rotate your wrist as though you're opening a door here. Drop the left hand, and then on an exhale, roll that neck. So inhale, chin points up to the sky. Exhale, chin points down to the chest. Inhale, bring that right ear over the right shoulder. Exhale, head back to center. Go ahead and shake the shoulders out. We'll take this to the other side. So on an exhale, drop the left ear over the left shoulder. Really feel the stretch in that right side of the neck. Release any tension. And then on an inhale, right arm reaches up, and then go ahead and turn that imaginary doorknob. Relax the face, breathe. A couple more here, and then drop that right hand down to the mat. On an exhale, chin drops down to the chest. Inhale, chin up to center. Exhale, chin down to the chest. Inhale, point that chin up to the sky. And then we'll meet with that left ear over the left shoulder. Inhale, bring the head back to center. Go ahead and switch your legs, so cross them the opposite way. On an inhale, left arm reaches up. Relax that shoulder into the shoulder girdle. Right hand goes long. Nice and slow here. On an exhale, reach over to the right. So pull that left shoulder back. Relax the right shoulder. Relax the right forearm. Really find length through the left side of the body. Then on an exhale, left hand comes down. Inhale, right arm up. Relax the shoulder. Exhale, lean to the left. Engage the left side of the body. Stretch through the right side of the body. So really press down through those hips. And then on an exhale, right arm reaches down. Let's do that again. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Exhale, lean over to the right. Pull the shoulder back. Relax the face. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, lean to the left. Press down through the hips. Lengthen through the side of the body. Exhale, right arm down. Inhale, left arm up. Right arm up. And you're going to cross your hands. So your right hand's going to be in front of your left and interlace the fingers. Pull the head in line with the biceps. On an exhale, bend the elbows. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Inhale up. Exhale, bend. Inhale up. And then on an exhale, look over to your right. Drop the arms as you twist. So left arm to right knee. Right arm behind you. Pull that right shoulder back. So it's almost like you have a magnet on your left and right shoulder and they're pulling together. On an exhale, twist the neck and look over the left shoulder. Ooh, nice juicy stretch here. And then on an exhale, look back over the right shoulder and release everything to the front. Inhale, both arms up. This time, left arm in front of right, interlace the fingers. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale. Inhale. Look over the left shoulder. And then on an exhale, right arm to outer left knee, left arm behind you. Gaze over that left shoulder. Spread through the collarbones. Have that chest be wide and open. Press down through the hips. And then on an exhale, look over the right shoulder. Inhale, back over to the left shoulder. And then on an exhale, release everything to the front. Ooh, that feels great. Hands are going to come on top of the knees for a seated cat-cow. On the inhale, cow, open the chest, gaze up, and then on the exhale, have it be audible. So, round and curl. Let's flow through that. Inhale, open and lengthen. Exhale, round and curl. Inhale, open. Audible exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then just stay here with your chin tucked. And then on an inhale, come back to a neutral spine. Inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, hinge from the hips as you dive forward, but don't touch down yet. Press back through the hips, lengthen through the spine, and then on an exhale, both hands come down to the floor. So stay here first. Just work on opening up those shoulders and keeping the spine nice and long. And then on an exhale, slowly start to walk those hands forward. The head drops down and go to your length. As long as the spine is elongating here and you're pressing back through the hips, that is what we are focusing on. On an exhale, walk the hands over to the left. Nice long stretch to the right side of the body. Make sure to breathe. And then on an inhale, look up. Exhale, walk the hands back to center. Take an inhale breath to set. And then on an exhale, walk the hands over to the right. Press back through the left glute. A little side crunch on the right side of the body. Left side of the body lengthens. Relax the head, relax the forehead, the eyes, the eyebrows. Just breathe. And then on an exhale, bring both hands back to center. Gently crawl your way back up to a seated position. Both hands come behind the back, interlace the fingers, press the knuckles down, lift the chest, lift the gaze, breathe. Feel the open and expansion in the chest. And then on an exhale, return the hands back to neutral, return the arms back to neutral. Go ahead and bring the arms out to a T. And then on an exhale, cross the left arm over the right, grab for the shoulders, and just sway back and forth, giving yourself a nice big hug. Inhale, open the arms, then cross them the opposite way. So right arm over left. Give yourself a big hug. I like to give myself some kisses here, just to give me some love before I start my day. And then go ahead and bring those hands back to heart center. Bring that intention back to your mind. And then we'll take some cleansing breaths together to end our time. So exhale out any air you have. Take a big inhale through the nose, fill up the lungs. Exhale, open mouth, release. Inhale, feel the chest and belly expand. Exhale, open mouth, release. Close the lips and then gently bow in towards yourself, giving yourself a moment of gratitude for showing up here on your mat today. And namaste. Well, friends, it was such an honor to have flowed with you today. I look forward to seeing you in my next class, and I hope you have a divine and delightful rest of your day. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you can find all my social media linked down below. I hope to see you soon. Bye!